Okay guys, here we are, another shave video. Wearing a shirt this time. Got my microphone here. Of course, if I don't wear a shirt, I can't really wear a microphone, so I thought I'd wear the microphone and we'll have a lot better audio today. Now, today we're going to review a razor. We're going to shave with a razor that I got yesterday. You may have seen the unboxing video of this razor. It's the MG1199. It's a single-headed electric head razor. Here it is. We're going to see how this works. If you haven't seen that video, that unboxing, I'll just kind of go through this with you again now. We'll take the head off, and it's magnetic. These newer head razors are all magnetic heads, which I really like. If you look in there, really big head hair chamber. There's the head, just one big gigantic head. So we're gonna put this together, just snap back on as you saw. Let's do that again. You can see here there's 4 little metal posts. You just line it up with the 4 posts in here, and there we go. And that's all we do. Okay. Power button is down here on the back. Down here's a display as well. We'll turn this on because, of course, when I'm shaving with this and I'm holding it like this and shaving my head, you won't be able to see it at all. So we'll just turn it on now. See, it's displaying 99 right there. You see that? 99. Fairly quiet. Hopefully this will work well. You can see the thing spinning when I turn it on too. Let's do that. Okay. So let's give it a shot, as we always do. Feels a bit rough. Just the shave is rough. I don't know that this one giant head really is all that effective, just from my first initial impression here. Let's continue. Seems to be taking it down. Let's just switch hands here now. We'll switch hands again. So yeah, it seems to be taking it down. Um, Still a bit here on the back. So we'll continue until it's as smooth as it's going to get. So let's continue. And of course, with one of these razors, any rotary razor, you want to do what I'm doing and go in circular motions. It's actually not the most comfortable razor I've used, but that's not at all uncommon for the first shave. You know, the skin needs a couple weeks to adjust. I'll show you the display on here. 92 minutes, so that's fairly accurate. Okay, the display on here when I turned this off was 91 minutes. So again, that's fairly accurate. It's fairly smooth. You know, it's certainly not as smooth as other razors I've used. The Remington Balder Pro that I've used, I think, um, right from the very first shave was a lot more comfortable than this one. Of course, the more one uses this, the skin will adjust and then the comfort level will improve. But kind of a rough shave. Looks here, look right here, there's kind of a shadow going on here, although it feels fairly smooth here. Up here, right here, it's a bit rough. The back of the neck isn't bad. Let's just spin around and you can have a look. So that's the MG1199. Okay, guys, so there you go. You know, if you're in the market for a head razor, you're maybe switching from blades, you want to try an electric head razor, you want to not spend a lot of money, you know, try this. Um, it does a reasonably good job. A little rough up here, but again, that will improve as I do more shaves with it. But again, I want to remind you to visit electricrazorwrap.com. That's the official message board of the Electric Razor Wrap YouTube channel. Also, again, if you feel like it, you can donate some money. buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap. If you like the videos I do, you want to donate more money so that I can review more razors, you're free to do that as well. Also, I'm developing some Electric Razor Wrap merchandise. Right now, some hoodies, a couple of Electric Razor Wrap baseball caps. If you want one, send me an email, jim@electricrazorwrap.com. You can also visit electricrazorwrap.com, go to the contact form, email me that way as well with your desired hoodie size, and I'll be sure to get a hoodie out the door to you. So thanks again, guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.